We proudly present the new Red Star chronographs with blue, silver white and black dial, 41.5 mm diameter. These are the new Red Star chronographs with 41.5 mm diameter, stainless steel case and mineral crystal, which is anti-reflective. This is a very special blue dial with a red star. The blue color you can see here is just a protection, and it comes with pull-through textile strap, and we include also a second strap of your choice. So this is the blue dial. Then we have the silver white dial, also with a nice structure on the dial, as you can see here, with the tachymeter scale. And here you have the AM/PM indicator, so 24-hour indicator. This is the black dial, also with the white subdials and the structure. And as you can see here, the mineral crystal has a very special design and is also anti-reflective. So this is the blue dial with the Rios blue strap. You have a choice of the Incel strap, the Louisiana strap, the Molnier strap, different straps, all included. And here you can see the caliber. So that's the high quality Seagull 1903 caliber column wheel chronograph. So here you can see the column wheel. And it has Genève stripes and blue screws decoration. And this is an example of the silver dial with a black Incel smooth bio leather strap, also available in bright brown or dark brown. And last but not least, this is the black dial with the Milanese metal stainless steel strap, also very comfortable to use. So the choice is not easy about the colors of the dial and the additional strap, but I'm sure you will make a good choice, and I hope you enjoy these new Red Star chronographs as much as we do.